Today I'm going to be discussing the 3 habits that you need to get into for your nighttime and morning routines. And at the end of this video I will share a recipe for my homemade facial mist. What I think is one of the most important things to a skincare routine and the secret to anti-aging and keeping a youthful skin and a youthful glow is definitely hydration. This makes a huge difference to the plumpness of your skin and the overall way that your skincare products work. A lot of us spend a lot of money on skincare products, so it is important that your body is absorbing them and you are getting the most use out of them. If you're new to this channel, I basically like to discuss different things that I do as part of my daily life to keep a balance between health and beauty and having a good time without getting too strict with myself. If you're interested in videos like that, please be sure to subscribe. Firstly, let's start off with the morning. When you wake up in the morning, one of the most important things to do is just to wash your face with lukewarm water. There's no need to use any kind of harsh chemical. Nature provides the best thing that we need at that time of day. By washing your face and not drying it, you leave a slight coat of moisture on the skin. This is the best time for you to apply your sunscreen or your morning moisturizer. This actually helps the moisturizer or your skin product to actually absorb into the skin better and allows your skin to be hydrated and plump as the first part of the day. I like to keep aloe vera gel in the fridge at home. I use this throughout the day, sometimes at night if I feel that my skin is overheating or getting red because I live in quite a warm climate. This is also wonderful to make up into a facial mist. Moving on, let's talk about nighttime. I like to use a retinol cream because I find that vitamin A is the most amazing thing for your skin. The changes that have happened in my skin since I started using retinol are absolutely next level. I have lost so much pigmentation that I had from my pregnancies and the years I spent in the sun in my youth. It plumps my skin. It exfoliates your skin, so there's no need to exfoliate after using it. I try to use it at night after my shower, when my skin is again nice and warm and hydrated from being in the shower. It's the best time to pop on the retinol. Then I just leave it for a few hours. Then before bedtime, these are the 3 habits that you really need to get into. The first one is you want to mist your face. Get it nice and hydrated. This actually absorbs into the skin and provides the best platform for your nighttime skin routine. Lots of people use different kinds of things. You might be into hyaluronic acid, you might use an antioxidant, you might be into retinol like myself, or just using a moisturizer. This is the time to actually add your nighttime products. Allow them to soak in for a few moments. Okay, now this is the big one. Depending on how hydrated your skin feels after applying your nighttime skin products, you can give your skin another mist. And now this is the time to add your sealing product. Now a lot of people are talking about slugging. Slugging is basically a skincare technique which has become popular and come from K-beauty. Everybody knows about the Korean skin and the glass skin look, and many of us are trying to achieve that look. If you haven't heard about slugging, it basically means that you apply a thick coat of a plant-based product to your skin that is airtight, which will seal in the water. A lot of people use good old-fashioned Vaseline petroleum jelly, which basically gives your skin the look that a slug has crawled all over your face, where the expression slugging originated from. I'm a little bit like Chris Gibson, the skincare expert, where I'm not a fan of putting Vaseline all over my face. It's probably not the best thing if you are acne prone, and even though it is quite thick and it may not clog your pores, I prefer to keep away from it. I would rather use that for a lip balm. My go-to for slugging, I used to just call it my skincare routine, is coconut oil. I have another video up here if you're interested in how I use that. Every night I just get some after I have placed on my other products and added some moisture, I just add the coconut oil, making sure that you really get it around your eyes and your eyebrows. As I said, I'll discuss this more in another video if you are interested in watching that one. I normally do this a little while before I'm going to bed, just so that I'm not going to lie down and put this all over my sheets and pillows. So just allow it to soak in for maybe half an hour or so. I usually do this on the couch at night with my hands, etc., and find that that's a great way to finish the day. If you have got some nighttime habits that you use, that you swear by, please share it with the community down in the comments. If you're wondering if you can slug directly after using your retinol cream without waiting, I've done it before. I think it depends how long you have been using retinol and how well your skin handles it. If you've been using it for about 3 months and your skin tolerates it very well, I don't think there's any reason that you can't do your face mist, then your retinol, and then your slugging cream coconut oil over the top. Again, a lot of things are trial and error, and as we know, over a month our skin can be in a different mood. So I always say go with trial and error and listen to your body. My third most important part of my nighttime routine, and something that you all should get in the habit of doing, is taking good old H2O water to bed. I never go anywhere without water. Water is attached to my hip and there is always beside my bed. There's nothing worse than waking up in the middle of the night and you're not completely hydrated and you think, oh, I cannot be bothered getting out of bed, walking into the kitchen, turning on all the lights, waking myself up and getting a glass of water. However, if the water's right next to your bed, you are more likely to sip that water during the night, allowing your body to stay hydrated, keep your kidney and liver functioning beautifully through the evening, and hopefully will be the first thing you reach for after the alarm goes off each day. If you are interested in making your own facial mist recipe, obviously you can buy facial mists. They're all over the internet. However, everybody is about saving money at the moment and everyone is obviously interested in natural products, which is why that I make up my own. I just use an old bottle. Recycle. So simply just add a tablespoon of aloe vera gel, a teaspoon of melted coconut oil. You add maybe half a cup of water. There are a few things you can add now that are up to you. You can try adding some witch hazel, tea tree oil, lavender oil, jojoba oil. All of these things are lovely and just help give a more refreshing feel to the facial mist. I keep mine in the fridge because I love that cold feeling and I think it helps to open up the pores right as the water's hitting. And it is just nice during the day. If it's hot, spray your face, behind your neck. It is a lovely go-to.